Once, in a bustling village, there lived a man named Steve. He worked tirelessly in his small shop, from sunrise to sunset. Yet he barely made enough to get by. The weight of his struggles showed on his face. No matter how hard he worked, he always felt like he was running in circles, working for money but never truly moving forward. One day, while wandering to clear his mind, Steve came across a wise monk. The monk's calm demeanor stood in stark contrast to Steve's restless energy. Steve went to him and said, "Revered monk, I work so hard every day, yet I never have enough. What am I doing wrong?" Monk smiled. "My son, you are working for money, but have you ever thought about how money could work for you? Tell me, what happens when you plant seed in the soil and nurture it?" Steve replied in confusion. "It grows into a tree, of course." Monk nodded. "Exactly. That tree gives shade, fruits, and more seeds. Now imagine if instead of eating all your seeds, you planted a few. Over time, you'd have a whole orchard. Money is like a seed. If you save and invest wisely, it grows. And one day, it can provide for you, even when you stop working," he added. Steve nodded thoughtfully, envisioning his life changing, and said, "But how do I start planting my seeds, wise monk?" Monk smiled. "Start small. Save a portion of what you earn. Invest it in something that grows, like a business, property, or knowledge. Let time and patience nurture it." The monk handed over Steve a sapling. Steve followed the monk's advice. He started saving, learned about investments, and planted his financial seeds. Years later, Steve's hard work bore fruit, not just wealth, but freedom and peace of mind. Like Steve, we all have seeds in our hands. The choice is yours. Will you eat them today, or will you plant them for a better tomorrow? Start your journey today. Learn, invest, and grow. The future is waiting for you.